How to Change Country on Amazon Prime Video 2026 Full Guide. If you have moved abroad or you are planning to live in a different country for a while, your Amazon Prime Video library probably looks completely different. In this video, I am going to walk you through the official way to change your country in 2026, what happens to your account when you do, and the one thing most people get wrong about using Prime Video while traveling. Let us clear up two scenarios first. If you are permanently moving, use Amazon's official method to update your country. If you are just traveling abroad for a few weeks, you do not need to change anything. Amazon automatically gives you access to Amazon Originals wherever you go. And the only legitimate way to keep watching your full home library while abroad is to connect to a VPN in your home country, which Amazon permits for travel purposes. Here is the official step-by-step for permanently changing your country. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. You need the website because some options are not in the mobile app. Step 2. Sign into the Amazon account tied to your Prime Video subscription. Step 3. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right, then click Manage Your Content and Devices. Step 4. Click the Preferences tab. Step 5. Scroll to Country and Region Settings and click Change. Step 6. Enter a valid address in your new country. It does not have to be yours. A hotel or friend's address works. Step 7. Click Update and confirm when Amazon prompts you, but here is what you absolutely need to know first. Changing your country transfers your entire Amazon account, not just Prime Video. Your Kindle library moves with you, your Amazon Music subscription transfers, your App Store purchases follow, and you will need to re-enter your one-click payment in the new currency. Once you change, you cannot log back into your old country's Amazon site. Now here is the pro tip. Before you click Change, take 5 minutes for a quick checklist. Cancel any active subscriptions tied to your old country, back up any Kindle books you want to keep, save your watch list and any purchased Prime Video titles. Have a valid payment method ready for the new country. Amazon does not reverse country transfers easily, so doing this once saves hours later. To wrap up, if you are moving abroad permanently, use the official Manage Your Content and Devices method. If you're just traveling, leave your country alone and connect to a VPN in your home country if you want your full library. Both approaches are legitimate and supported by Amazon. If this guide cleared things up, hit like so more viewers can find it. Subscribe for more streaming and account walkthroughs and drop a comment telling me, are you changing because of a move? Or just trying to watch while traveling?